Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, fuel efficient, and certified pre-owned. Features also include keyless entry, premium sound system, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2017 Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, FWD, headlights auto off, security system, cruise control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.